Hospitals in our area say they're on track with vaccine distribution. WMAR 2 News' Aaron McPherson joins us with the update.
Whether Moderna or Pfizer, hospitals are vaccinating their frontline healthcare workers, and they're moving quick.
We are right at the edge of hope.
Dr. Gabe Kellen is the director of emergency medicine at Johns Hopkins. He's asking all of us to hang on just a little longer in this pandemic.
If there was no vaccine, we'd be in this pandemic for 3 to 4 years at 200,000 infections a day. If your listeners put that in perspective, that, can you hang in there a few more months? Otherwise, you'd be at risk for 3-4 years or even longer. So this is it. This is a very, very good development.
Johns Hopkins started vaccinating their employees about 2 weeks ago. So far, Dr. Kellen says about 6,000 people have been vaccinated.
We're aiming at about 1,000 a day across the system. And we have quite a few people to do, mind you. And then there's the second dose. So somewhere along the way, we'll be at 2,000.
That's for all the Johns Hopkins system here in Maryland, in D.C., and in Florida.
We're delightfully surprised at the incredible strong demand. We thought there'd be some vaccine reticence. People who said, well, maybe I'll wait till you get it, see if your arm falls off, then I'll think about it. But actually, everybody who's eligible just immediately wants this vaccine.
GBMC started giving out vaccines on Monday and plan to have 1,200 people vaccinated by Saturday.
I lined up to be first this morning, so I'm excited.
Dr. Bill Zirkin has been an emergency care physician with GBMC for 20 years.
In general, has been tough for everybody, but working in the emergency department, we've seen a huge number of patients, and every day you're sort of taking care of these patients who are sick, but also worried about yourself and worried about your family, and it's been very stressful. And if this is successful, it'll be such a relief.
Once the frontline healthcare workers, first responders, nursing home staff, and those over 75 years old are vaccinated, then the vaccine will be available for the general population.
By the late spring, early summer, all of these huge spikes that we're seeing in infections, we're going to see that come back down. It's not going to go to zero immediately, but sometime into the summer, maybe late spring, there'll be a lot more normalcy.
Dr. Kellen says there is an end in sight. There's hope.
Over the next few months, so if everybody can stay patient just a little bit longer, keep wearing your masks and social distancing. It's just around the corner. Vaccine for everyone who wants it is just a few months away.
As for the other hospitals in our area, LifeBridge Health says they vaccinated more than 2,000 employees. The University of Maryland Medical System says they've vaccinated more than 7,000 employees and plan to have all of them vaccinated by mid-January. MedStar Health says they are on track but did not release any specific numbers. For WMAR 2 News, I'm Aaron McPherson.